Yeah. Heck, man. American Pickers ain't got nothing on me, man.
Hello, junkers, scrappers, resellers, dumpster divers, thrift stores. This kitty really just told me I need to come up with another greeting. Anyway, today we're going to do something different, man. That's something we just thought of. We just created a big sale on our eBay. An early kind of a Christmas 50% off sale. So check out the link below. Go over and check out our store, man. Some smoking deals. And then we thought, you know, we got some new stuff in there. So then there's new stuff getting put on every day. Stuff that I haven't even shown on this. So you might want to check that stuff out too. But this stuff is on sale.
What's the sale?
Oh, an early, kind of a get ready for Christmas.
I want to know how much I'm going to save.
I said that, dude.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, when we look back at this,
okay.
You can go and
I'm
say,
waiting.
oh, man, look at I wasn't listening to him again.
No, I was just waiting for you to pause.
All right. 50% off.
There's going to be two links. One is to the eBay store, and you can just rummage through there and find the stuff on sale, or you can follow the link that is only the sale items.
Oh, and that's why we wanted it.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
See, she just found this thing, so she's putting it on.
Yep.
But, and there's 500 items, 50% off, so you can check those out. But check out all the other, like I said, new stuff all the time. Anyway, we're going to show some of this stuff.
Yeah, and I went through and handpicked a few items that had a lot of views. That's how I chose this stuff. So
Okay, sweet.
that's why I picked it. You want to show this? And this, obviously, we got when the cotton was falling because there's still some cotton on it.
So it's an old military. Somebody had actually painted this one. You know, and it's made out of a press board. If you've ever seen these, man, for packing out elk and deer and all that, man. It's got the tie downs here. Awesome. You know, it goes on this way. The military. This is, I'd say, probably 1943 or something like that. We had another one just like this that wasn't painted and a little bit better condition that we sold, but that's on there right now, half off.
And that's still in usable condition.
Yeah, very usable condition. This is actually, the one that I sold is one that should have probably been put in a museum. This one, man, is the one to strap to your back, carry your elk out.
Yeah,
and it's still the
absolutely.
season, man.
Yeah, yep.
All right.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm going to do this umbrella because this umbrella just, I don't know, it's just so cool and so beautiful. It has a really
I can't
neat,
believe it has a
I
sleeve.
know, me either. Nice brass tip. This outer sleeve has a brass tip at the top that slides off. You see that, how I've just slid that and it has the brass tip. I'll go ahead and hold that. Nice little pom-pom still down here. This thing is old and it is still in very, very nice.
20s or 30s probably?
I don't know for sure.
it's old.
I might have done some research and put something on the description
It's
there.
good. We've had it on there.
Yeah, for a long time. As I open it, you can see it's still in actually usable condition if you wanted to use something like
There
this.
is on the inside, which I can't really show, but a little bit where it connects up on the joints, a little bit of surface rust that would clean
okay,
up
yeah,
pretty
so it's
easy.
right there. I'm going to go ahead and pop that all the way in.
I mean, look at that thing. That's
Can you
around
see
there.
it? Yeah. You see how
No
nice that
holes,
is?
no. I mean, that thing is. If I hold it, you can see a little bit of stuff, but that stuff would clean up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And it'd be a great
beautiful.
sunshade.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh,
Great
you look so
sunshade.
pretty with it.
A parasol. Yep, it's really cool.
This dude here, man. You got that? Or
Just
you
lay
need
it down.
that?
No.
This dude here is one of my favorites, man. I call him, man, he's a twigger.
The twig
Yeah,
man.
the twig man. That is
Here's his other twig.
Yeah.
And those are twigs that we...
Yeah, I actually put the dogwood. It's actually dog, you know, because I'm the twigger.
Yeah,
Because I'm a twigger. That's better than tweaker.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I had both of those in there. But man, you can check out the detail of this, man. Wood, you know, hand carved, man, wood. Just amazing. I've showed it before. And he's got a pretty good price, but he is half off right now, man. He's got these little, it's like his earrings, one tied around his ankle. Actually, there's one tied around each ankle, man. They're kind of carved out, kind of like teeth.
And that fabric comes completely off.
Yep.
It's
And that's original. That
hand-woven.
came with it.
Looks like it's... And did you say he's anatomically correct?
Oh yeah, that's kind of why we have the drape
Yeah,
over him.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's letting it all hang out.
He's real.
Yeah, he's awesome.
He's awesome. Okay, I'm going to show this real quick. This
Yeah,
is a
this I
nice
love that.
architectural corbel. You can use it just as a wall hanging. You can put, there's a spot right there.
Yeah, sure. And if you look at the face, man, the face on it's like a mountain man or, you know, just a bearded dude, man.
A
It's pretty cool.
protector, a
Yep.
wise man.
Yep.
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
Way cool.
He'd look real neat on,
Way
on any
cool.
wall.
This, man, is one of my favorites. The thermometer is missing, but this is a Get a Fisk, man. It's a little tire company thing, man. Yeah. Pretty darn cool. The time to retire is what it says at the top of that little sign there. And then this little baby, you can see on the sign there, he's holding a tire. But man, just amazing. Like I said, the thermometer's missing.
And is that on galvanized? Is that what that is?
Yeah, it's a galvanized enamel.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Okay, here I've got a really neat old aluminum case. Some of you guys might already know what's inside. And we thought we would show this because we might separate the two.
Because I love the aluminum box,
Yep.
and I know, man, they would sell
But
without
in
them. These
here
are amazing
Are some
condition.
awesome old roller skates, and they've got the wood wheels, and they did those because they were softer on the, and even the brake stoppers
Yeah, these
are still in awesome condition. Out there.
They are, because they're pretty
They're
big.
men's
They're
10, I
11 to
think.
12, man. I can't
Yeah.
remember.
Inside it has a stamp of the owner, Kenneth Christensen.
Is it California?
Yes. And it's stamped over.
That's where it is.
Yeah.
Now, they're like size 12s.
Yep.
12.
And the name is sold only by Sears and Roebuck and Company. And that one's got the...
J.C. Higgins.
There we go,
on
J.C.
there.
Higgins.
Yep, J.C. Higgins on
And that's
there.
written on the wheels.
Yeah, we actually have a, well, they do it at the fairgrounds at a little town down the road, roller skating night. So I'm putting them bad boys
Yeah.
on.
Wouldn't that be fun?
I'd
Woohoo!
follow them about. I used to roller skate all the time when I was a
Yeah.
kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and then this thing's pretty dang cool. It's got the cord and everything. I have no way of testing it, but where I got it, the people said it was, how the heck do you do it? You just pull the top, oh, there it is. Look at it. Look at it, right out, I had it on the screen. It's a dang phone, man. And it's got the cords and everything, and the gal I got it from said it works great.
On the bottom there's... I don't remember when we did the listing.
Oh, yeah, and it makes fire. That's
Yeah.
right, the ringer, you can actually,
Right.
it'll be a fire truck.
Right. Or you can set it to a standard ring.
Yep. And I mean, everything looks like it's complete and everything. It's got the axe on the side and everything. I don't
Yeah,
know all
check
that
out
much
the
about it.
listing and the details
Yeah,
on
check
the
out the,
listing.
yeah, and always look
Up
close at the pictures. Oh, it is missing a lens
Okay,
off
that's
the
what I was
front
thinking, that there was
light.
one or
I knew there
maybe
was
two
something that I'd
items.
noticed. Oh, and now it's missing the phone.
Now it's got sawdust. I guess that means I gotta go clean it.
Dang hillbillies. Dang it. All right, last but not
Okay,
least.
last but not least, I'll take this one. You
we
take
just
this one.
love these.
These we got hanging up above
We
the
actually
computer.
bought them for
They're so
ourselves,
cool.
and then the value of them was like, okay, we'll put them
Yeah.
on. We have them hanging in our
Shocking.
cabin, and we just love them. And what's funny, the story, and I actually, we might have showed these on Mountain Junkers. That was when we were with
Yes.
Debbie and Max. They came down and we went to the world's largest yard sale. And the funny thing about these is I'm walking through, man, this booth, man, this gal's got just amazing stuff. Man,
Really
big
fun.
old spread.
Big fun.
And I walk over, man, I find this dude. And man, I'm looking at him, no price on him or nothing, man. I'm looking, I'm like, man, he is so cool. And I look over and Kitty's, across the booth on the other side.
It's big enough that we
So I go
can work
walking over there,
talking
and as I
together.
walk over there, she's holding her from
I'm
a
like,
different
look what I just
table.
found.
She goes, look what I just found. I was all, well, that's funny.
Because I found him.
And that lady was so
Yep.
happy that we
Yep.
matched them back
Yep,
up. But
just
man,
like
I
that,
just
yep.
love them.
They're
It's
so
one of those
cool.
things I really don't care. They're
Yeah.
worth pretty good money, but they are marked, I guess, half down. I didn't even
Yep.
realize I'd put them
Yep,
for
you
half
did.
off.
You did.
Man, that's it, man. Just thought we'd show a little bit. We're probably going to hit a thrift store later today. Right now, we are really concentrating on If you watch my other channel, go over and check out Idaho Hillbilly. I'm actually putting a new roof on a outbuilding and then I'm putting the walls up and stuff and getting it all sealed up to store our eBay stuff to free up some room. And where we live, you know, if you're new, welcome to the channel, man.
Welcome.
Try to build this thing up.
Yeah.
Where we live, we're in the middle of nowhere. We're big time snow country, so we're trying to get, you know, everything taken care of. Today's nice, man, so you got to take advantage of that. We're supposed to have all week nice, but we will take you junking. And when we go to the running packages in today, we may end up doing a little treasure hunting for a little bit too.
Yeah.
Like I said, we have a bunch of other stuff that we haven't shown on video
Yeah.
that
There's
gets listed daily.
499 items for sale.
Yep. Oh, is that what it is? 'Cause we sold one or
499,
something
yep.
this morning? Okay. All right, so man. So remember, keep your eye on the skyline and your nose to the wind. And in your treasure hunting, I hope you find color in your pan.
See ya.
Oh, I almost forgot.